This lecture is for class 6. I am going to start a new chapter which is called light. So light, there is a vast concept. You are in class 6. You will get again concept regarding light in class 8, again 10, again 12. In 12 you will get wave optics. Here I will give only the overview. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave means from sun fission reactions take place. FUSION, fission. So beta particle is generated from sun, and beta particle means electron. When electron move, electric field. When electron move, electron have negative charge. So electric field as well as magnetic field is produced. So that's why it is called electromagnetic wave. Remember, light does not need any medium for travel because it is electromagnetic wave. उल्टा मीडियम मिलने से डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, लाइट का स्पीड स्लो हो जाता है, लाइट ब्लॉक हो जाता है. So for your class you only know the basic definition. Light is the source of energy. With the help of light we can see the object. हम लोग लाइट का वैसे कैसे ऑब्जेक्ट को देखते हैं कि कोई बॉडी का लाइट गिरता है, बॉडी से लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होकर हम लोग आंखों में आता है तभी दिखाई देता है. अगर लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होकर नहीं आता है तो बॉडी को ब्लैक, कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई कलर नहीं है, कोई रेस नहीं है. मीन्स नो रेस कमिंग फ्रॉम एनी ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज सीन एज ए ब्लैक. विदाउट लाइट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सीन एज ब्लैक. एंड so we have lots of phenomena regarding light. For example, black body. Black body already have told that when light falls on a body and when it absorbs all the rays, and that is seen as a black. That's why in summer season black cloth should not be wear because it produces heat, because all colors are absorbed. So that is the concept of black body or absorber, light absorber. And some body are there who reflect all the colors, that is seen as a white. Or if all colors are reflected, that is seen as a white. That's why in summer season it is suggested to wear white cloth because heat is not absorbed by white cloth. And when light is reflected, that body is called reflector, and the phenomenon is called reflection. And some body block the light and from shadow. And light have two property. Light moves straight line. Later on you will get light moves in a wave. Light have two nature, particle nature, other is wave nature. But here we will consider only wave. Light have a particle nature. So with the help of particle nature we can explain the formation of shadow. So based on reflection of light or blocking of light, object can be classified. For example, transparent body, transparent object. So through some body light can be passed. Light is passed through some body. For example, glass, water, diamond. They are called transparent body. Light is completely passed through it. And when light is passed through transparent body, the direction or speed of light is changed. Very, very important point. When light is passed through any transparent body, the speed of light is changed, and we got a phenomenon that is called refraction of light. Refraction means change of direction of light. Refraction. And due to refraction, images from, you will get details in higher class, and we will get another terms related to refraction, that is called refractive index of transparent body. And through some body partial light is passed. Light is partially passed through some body, and they are called translucent object, translucent substance. For example, plastic is the example of translucent object. And from some body light is completely blocked. When light try to pass through some body, light is blocked. So, and that type of body is called opaque body. For example, wood, wound or opaque body, light cannot pass through that type of body. So transparent body, translucent body, opaque body, already given the example. And propagation of light. So here you have to know two terms: ray. Ray is light moves in a straight line, that is indicating by ray, and the combination of ray is called beam, because single rays is not there. When light comes from sun, infinite number of rays comes, and the combination of rays are called beam. And beams are parallel rays. Parallel means I am showing here parallel. These are called parallel rays. Means distance, this distance are same distance are same. Means parallel rays never intersect. काट नहीं करते, never intersect each other. So when light collide with any obstacle or blocked, light is blocked by a body, or light cannot pass through by a body, shade is formed. Shadow, darkness, dark. And there are some characteristics of shadow, that the shape or size of shadow does not depend on size of the object. Next is the color of shadow is not depend on color of the object. The color of shadow is always dark, and these are two important characteristics of shadow. For formation of shadow, we need a light source, we need an opaque object, we need a screen where shadow is generally formed or shown. And reflection of light. So when light falls on a reflector, then reflection take place, means light bounce back in same medium. For example, mirror. Glass is not reflecting body, glass is actually transparent body. मिरर कैसे बनता है कि ग्लास के पीछे कलर किया जाता है, कलरिंग बोर्ड जो पार्ट है, ड्यू टू कलरिंग पार्ट रिफ्लेक्शंस टेक प्लेस. सो रिफ्लेक्शन प्लेन सरफेस में अगर होता है तो इमेज फॉर्म होता है, हम लोग वी कैन सी आवर फेस, द फेस इज इमेज बाय मिरर, प्लेन मिरर, रिफ्लेक्शंस टेक प्लेस. एंड रिफ्लेक्शंस टेक प्लेस रफ सरफेस ऑल्सो. तो irregular reflections take place, a regular reflection take place by plane surface, and the example of plane surface is mirror. So this is all about the reflection. A little bit concept are there, so I will explain, I will make another video regarding reflection in next class. Thank you.